The universe is an enigmatic expanse, filled with incomprehensible forces, most of which remain hidden to the human eye. Throughout our brief history on Earth, we've managed to scratch the surface of understanding the cosmos, the birth of stars, the nature of galaxies, the ticking of cosmic clocks. Yet, despite our growing knowledge, we remain at the mercy of cosmic phenomena far beyond our understanding. Deep in the heart of the universe, there exists a force so powerful that its very presence could erase entire worlds. It is an object born from the violent death of a massive star, an object that warps not just space itself, but the fundamental laws that govern the very nature of reality. This object is known as a magnetar, a neutron star with an intensity of magnetic power so extreme that it shatters every preconceived notion about the cosmos. But what would happen if this cosmic anomaly were to venture into our solar system? What would the arrival of such an unstoppable force mean for our fragile planet? Imagine a dark force, invisible to the naked eye, moving silently through the void. At first, its arrival would be imperceptible, a mere whisper in the cosmic winds. Yet, as it draws closer to our corner of the universe, the very fabric of space itself begins to ripple. The outer planets, cold and distant, would be the first to feel the magnetar's immense magnetic reach. Its influence would slowly start to tug at them, like the unseen threads of a cosmic puppet master, pulling on the distant strings of Jupiter's swirling storms, Saturn's majestic rings, and the icy moons that orbit these giants. The magnetar's presence is subtle at first, a barely noticeable distortion in the magnetic fields of these outer worlds. But over time, it would become impossible to ignore. What was once stable and predictable would begin to shift, to twitch and vibrate with an alien rhythm. The majestic gas giants would begin to show signs of strange magnetic storms. The moons of Jupiter, places like Europa and Ganymede, would witness unusual phenomena. The electromagnetic fields that once shielded them from space's harsh radiation would be scrambled, creating violent and unpredictable surges of energy. As the magnetar draws closer, Earth, our fragile cradle in the cosmos, begins to feel its pull. It's not the terrifying, dramatic image of an asteroid plummeting toward us. No, the magnetar's threat is far more insidious. It is the quiet, creeping unraveling of everything we hold dear. First, there are glitches, minor, almost imperceptible to the untrained eye. Communications begin to sputter. Satellites, those silent sentinels orbiting our planet, begin to behave erratically. They struggle to maintain their orbits, their signals distorted by magnetic waves that were never meant to touch our technology. Our society, so deeply reliant on satellites for everything from GPS navigation to the daily functioning of our financial systems, would suddenly face a crisis. The systems that connect the world together would become unreliable. Airplanes would struggle to navigate the skies. Military systems, too, would face catastrophic failure. And on the ground, the ripple effects would be felt by every individual, from confused commuters unable to find their way home to the breakdown of global communication networks. The world would seem to slow down in confusion, as if the invisible threads of modern life were suddenly cut, disrupted by an unseen, faraway force. But the most deadly consequence of a magnetar is not its magnetic power, it is the radiation it emits. A magnetar is a source of untold energy, its surface continuously exploding with bursts of gamma rays, X-rays, and high-energy radiation. These are not the gentle solar flares we're used to. These are violent eruptions of pure energy, capable of sterilizing entire planets. And as the Magnetar approaches, Earth finds itself on the receiving end of these cosmic bursts. As the radiation cascades toward us, the very atmosphere would begin to shimmer with an unnatural light. The sun's radiation, our most familiar source of energy, would pale in comparison to the deadly gamma-ray bursts. These high-energy particles would strip away our planet's protective ozone layer, allowing ultraviolet radiation to flood the surface. For life on Earth, this would be an extinction-level event. Plant life, the foundation of our food chain, would be devastated. The very air we breathe would change. A once vibrant ecosystem, sustained for millennia, would begin to falter under the weight of radiation poisoning. And the humans living here, our fragile biology, would struggle to survive, exposed to radiation like never before. The Magnetar's radiation would burn its imprint into Earth's history, a permanent scar that would be impossible to erase. The survivors, if any remain, would be left to rebuild in a world forever altered by the fury of cosmic forces. But radiation is not the only weapon at the Magnetar's disposal. Its mass is so immense, its gravitational pull so powerful, that it begins to warp the very orbits of the planets within our solar system. Earth, our home, so carefully balanced between the sun and the cold of space, begins to drift ever so slightly as the Magnetar passes by. What might seem like an inconsequential shift could have profound, devastating consequences. A mere million-mile change in Earth's orbit could send our planet spiraling into extreme heat or bitter cold, disrupting our climate beyond recognition. In an instant, the delicate balance of our seasons would collapse. The familiar cycle of warming summers and cold winters could be turned upside down, leaving the planet with unpredictable temperature swings. In the face of such chaotic climate change, entire ecosystems would struggle to adapt. The ice caps might melt, or they might expand, creating new, uninhabitable deserts or freezing, uninhabitable ice sheets. Global agriculture could collapse, leading to famine and societal unrest. All of this simply from the gravitational tug of a single passing object. And then, like a shadow passing across the horizon, the Magnetar moves on, its presence no longer immediate, no longer a direct threat. But the damage it leaves in its wake is not so easily undone. The magnetic storm that once raged across the solar system will have left behind scars on the fabric of space itself. Earth, now exposed to the cosmic forces it once avoided, will remain altered, forever changed by the Magnetar's passage. The radiation, although fading, has left its imprint on the atmosphere. The ecosystems will take centuries to heal, if they ever fully do. Humanity, in the aftermath, will be left with the daunting task of rebuilding, an Earth forever altered by an encounter with a force far beyond its control. But perhaps more than the physical damage, it is the philosophical shift that will define the next age of human existence. We have long believed that we are the masters of our domain, that our technology, our science, and our understanding of the universe could protect us. But in the face of forces like the Magnetar, we are reminded of how fragile we truly are. In the grand, unfeeling expanse of the universe, we are but a fleeting presence, subject to the whims of forces beyond our comprehension. The Magnetar is gone now, drifting back into the abyss from which it came. But for us, the survivors, the lessons will remain. In a universe so vast and full of unknowns, we must always be aware of how small we truly are. Earth, fragile as it is, has withstood the tests of time and space. but it is a reminder that we are not immune to the forces of nature. And as we rebuild, we must not forget that the universe still holds many mysteries, some benign, others far more dangerous. We may have weathered this storm, but the cosmos is vast. There are other forces out there, waiting. And when we look up at the stars, we are reminded that, no matter how advanced we become, we are still a small, fragile world, floating in the immense, unpredictable ocean of space.